Today topic is data types. In this slide, I'm going to cover all the data types in the chart. So built-in data types, these are the data types. So data types help you categorize all different type of data you use in the code. For example, numbers, text, symbols, whatever. Data type specify what type of value will be stored by any variable. In the below, dot support the following data types: numbers, strings, boolean, list, map, steps, rules, and none. These are the data types supported by dot. So now in this slide, this is a table to explain about each data type. And this is a number is a data type. The keywords are int, double, num. There is a three keywords. Any keyword, int, if you use the int keyword, a double and num, all of comes under number data type. It represents the numeric values. And the string, it represents a sequence of characters. And the bool is a keyword. The data type is boolean. It represents a boolean value true or false. So list is a keyword and list is a data type. It is an ordering group of items. A maps, the keyword is a maps. It represents the value set of key value pair, as well as set, rules, and none. So this is about the data types. Come to the coding part now. This is a dot file. First data type is numbers. So number is a keyword is numbers answered int, double, and num keyword. So number data types, we can use any keyword inside that. But integer, int, double, and num. If you use that int num equal to 1, this meaning is integer, it represents non-fraction numbers, whole numbers. Integer can declare with int keyword. Okay, so now it is a keyword, num1 is a variable name, and 1 is the value. So declare this is way of declare a integer value. If you want to declare a double value, use a double keyword. Okay, num2 equal to 1.6 kind of. E statement and with a semicolon. Now print number 1. Now I'm going to print number 2 also, and other keyword called num keyword. This keyword, it can store both integer or double value. For example, x equal to 23. It will, if you use the num keyword, it will store integer as well as double value also. This is about the number data type. Now this program I'm going to run. You can see the output in the console. Upon this run and data types. Now see, I printed number 1 and number 2 1.6. This is a number data type. And other one is string. What is the use of string? Is a collection of characters. We can store the collection of characters. For example, use the string keyword. String is a keyword. String is a keyword. Name equal to Mahesh IT. This is the string. This string is a collection of characters. This is way of declare the string. And now I'm going to print the string here. Now run the program, run and debug, and see the output in the below. And next one is Boolean data type. Use that Boolean data type. What is the keyword is? Bool keyword. The Boolean representation of the true or false value. So it is declared with the bool keyword. Bool is a keyword. Suppose val true value. It will store the true or false value. That's it. Okay. Print value. And here as a data type in the dot is a dot program language statically typed. That is the meaning of if you mean that the variable always have the same type, which cannot be saved or changed. Sorry. So here the static type means this variable is keyword or declared with the bool keyword. If I try to assign the other value is not accept. See, the value type int cannot be assigned a value type of bool. So we can't change the type of the variable. We can't change the type of the variable once declared. That's why dot program language is statically typed. Okay, dot is a programming language that is statically typed. That meaning this means that variable always have the same type. It cannot be changed. This is the dot is a data statically type. Okay, again I come to the other data type called list. So list is a representation of collection of objects. Use the list keyword. Okay, now this is the type, what type of value we are going to store inside the list, and this is the declaration of the list. Here the square bracket is a representation of the list. In the list, this meaning is integer. We can store the only integer value with in the array. It's separated by comma. If you try to use the string value, it will get an error because of we have declared the string with the integer type only. This is the string data type. Sorry, this is the list data type. Come to the map. Similar like that. This is also collection type, but it store the only key value pair. The map is a dynamic collection representation of the set of key value pair. If you declare it, the map is a keyword. Inside the map, the key is always be string. Remember that. But value you can use any type. So that's why any type I'm going to take a dynamic is a keyword. Dynamic accepting any data type. For example, this is the person is an object. Here the map is represented the curly braces. List is a square bracket and list map is a curly braces. So each object is a key value pair separated by colon. Now see, this is object separated by comma. This is a key. This is a value. For example, key always be string data type, but value we can store anything. See, here dynamic I'm using. That's why this here a value is a string. Here is a value is an integer. That's why that is the dynamic keyword. If you change the dynamic keyword to string, that meaning is the map allow only value also string type. That's why it's getting error here. That's why we don't know what kind of value is the mixing the value inside the person object. Is your name is and come to the salary. But in the map, key always be string only. This is a map data type. Okay, so this is about the data types in the dot.